Today I'm going to show you how to update or download Bluebook on Windows 11 devices. So this is for Windows 11. It's no longer called Software Center now. It's called Company Portal, and you get there by clicking on the Windows key and selecting Company Portal. Now if it's not installed, you just go down to Apps and you look for it alphabetically. Bluebook. Mine is installed, but for those that don't, just click Install, no rights needed. And this is very important for students that already have it on their desktops. What you need to do is you actually need to double click the icon because there might be several updates. So once that happens, it'll just take a minute for it to, be patient. It's not broken. It just takes a while for it to open. There we go. Now, if you see the sign in here, you see this has been successfully downloaded. Please wait for the update is installed. Please wait while the update is installed. This is what I'm talking about. Even though it's just recently downloaded, you need to double click until it finishes updating. It might be several of them. Again, no rights needed for students. Once that happens, the icon might turn white down here. Just let it install. And then we can try again. Let's give it a little bit of time. Commit to the click. And once you see it like this, that means you have the latest update. Any questions, please let me know.